Hello to everyone. Today in this video we explain you about the TDL of MSME. So the new MSME requirement is going on the market. There is a MSME Development Act 2006. This act is created to protect in the interest of small and micro businesses. So recently we come across the various rules and regulations from the income tax department that if we do not follow that particular rules and regulations, department will disallow our expenses in our computation. So that is the detailed rules available in the MSME Act. You can go through that. We will not go in that detail. In this video, we will explain how this TDL will help you to manage these things. So we using one TDL. This TDL we had loaded. In the add-on features, first of all, we have to give our MSME registration type. If we have registered in the MSME, like we are micro, small, medium. So generally, this rule is related to small and micro. So basically, the payment which we have to done within 45 days, that is applicable to mostly micro and small. What is small? So small businesses are whose investment in machine and equipment is below 10 crores and their turnover is below 15 crore. That is small. What is micro? Their investment in machine and equipment is below 1 crore and their turnover is below 5 crore. And what is the macro? Macro is their machine and equipment investment is more than 50, below the 50 crores and the turnover is 250 crore below. So the topmost segment section is macro, then micro, then small. Sorry, first macro, small, and then micro. So we have registered as a small, so I will enter the small. This option is given if you want to print MSME number in the bottom of your invoice. Let's make it no and save it. So this is the options to enter our MSME number. Same way, if you have any ledger, you can select your ledgers and here is the options. MSME type, this is the TDL options. You can select and you can enter the MSME number. During invoice creation, in the voucher type, we are given an option, enable MSME number. If you enable it, this option will come. Suppose I select Harshali Agro India Private Limited. So MSME type is small and number is this. So automatically it will come. Then let's select some items and go for invoicing. Let's save it. No. And let's check the invoice formats. So we have added MSME Udyam type. You can see small, registration, it's ours and its customers. So in this way it will print MSME detail in your invoice. The option which we see just before it, that is print MSME number in bottom, if you enable it, the same invoice will look like this. Your MSME number will not appear here. Customers and supplier that consignee will come. Your MSME number come in the bottom. So this option is related to printing. Same, that whatever the transaction you will done, like sales and purchase with MSME, there is a options. There are different options available, reports available. You can go to the MSME report. But if anyone, like you are a MSME registration and you want to start with this TDL, so the most important part is to get the KYC from your suppliers and customers. First of all, you have to confirm with them that they are MSME registered or not. So if they are registered, you have to take their MSME certificate, that is the number and type. In this TDL, we had given option to bulk upload that MSME details of the party. So this is a very important process. You can see empty party MSME report. You can enter, like I want to update sundry creditors. So I can select, or I can select sundry debtors. So these are the parties to whom I sold the product. and I want to update the MSME number of this party. So I can simply export it into the Excel. I'll select this format as a Excel and I click on export to, and I enter the path like this one, and I'll just create this report. So this report is ready. I can simply type my MSME number. I'm just putting some random numbers. In type, you just have to type micro, small, medium. That's all. Nothing extra. Micro, small, medium. That's it. And you just delete it, save this file, and you can upload it again using this one, update. This bottom option, update party MSME. I just enter the path, and I'll just accept it. You can see in the debtors there is a no pending. So all the party details have been updated in a single shot. And there are a few reports available of MSME that you can see party balance report. Like if you select any, like sundry creditors, so you can see these are the balances and the type of small, micro, medium. So generally what I say in the beginning, that this rule is related to small and micro mostly. So we have to filter out of my outstanding, how much outstanding is related to small and micro. So you can go to the MSME type wise and you can filter, like I want to see only micro and small. This is the one of the most important thing, because we have given the twice filter, two filter in the same screen. It will help you to generate the report properly. Either you have to filter the same records two times. First of all, you have to generate a small, then you have to generate a micro. But in this TDL, we are given twice filter. You can select micro, then small, because I want to generate outstanding related to that only. So this is related to ledger balances. Then we have an option of party pending bills. You can go to this. These are my receivables. If you want to see payables, click on payables. If you want to see receivables, out of this, if you want to see only micro and small, again the same filter. You can go for micro and then you can go for small. In the same bill, the most important, the important rule is you have to track the outstanding less than 40 days, more than 40 days. So it is default part of the tally. You can click on aging method and you can create your aging by bill date 0 to 30 days. It is not uh, as rule is not more than 45 days. So I suggested users to maintain it 30 days and then 30 to 45 days and then 45 days above, just to follow up with the suppliers and the vendors. So in this you can easily generate that how many invoices are due. Like this invoices is due less than 30 days, less than 40 days, between 40 to 45 days. You can also search by MSME number. If you search it like 73724, automatically that particular MSME will come. Then in party ledgers also I had mentioned MSME number and MSME type. Then in sales register also you can see MSME along with that filters. It is also available, and in the purchase register also it is available. So mostly whatever the requirement in tally, we all capturing in this TDL. Hope this TDL help you to understand. And again with few more things in the cell, if you go for comprehensive, it will print details. Like first of all, I disable that option to print in bottom. Like again, I'm printing in top. So this is called comprehensive invoice. You can go for simple invoice also. So in this format also that is printed. That is the beauty of this TDL. Uh, Along with this video, we are also giving you the demo TDL. You can download it from the video link. But in that demo TDL, you cannot import this party MSME from Excel. Only one or two records will update it. Rest of the thing will work for 1 or 2 days. You can explore it and you can share it with your friends and the tally users so that they can benefit it with this. Thank you so much.